Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's Josiah back at it again, riding around lonely as always. If y'all are in the Seattle-Tacoma area, hit me up in the comments if you want to ride. Like, you see how lonely it is out here. I have a BRZ, right? So I see this house up here, and they have a BRZ and an Impreza, and I used to always want an Impreza, which I still do. Honestly, I still want an Impreza, like a WRX. So I used to be so jealous of that house back there for that. It's so nice. This breeze feels amazing. It's such a beautiful day. Where are all these kids skipping school? Where are all the bikes at? You guys ever been to Go Philly? I've never been. It's like a cheesesteak place. Cheesesteaks are good, I know that. But I ain't never been there, and I live over here. Yes, sir. I should have gone left. I thought about it, and I was like, no, I won't make it. But I would have made it. I frequently check my pockets on my jacket, because I always feel like they're open, and my phone and everything is going to fly out. So I always check the zippers. Just all the time. It's probably a good habit to have, though. Update from yesterday's video. Bike's all good. Bike feels great. There's a tiny nick up on this mirror, but other than that, everything is perfectly fine. Nothing happened. I was just rattled. I guess my hips are a little sore from it, but other than that, I'm good. That guy could not see me at all. He had duct tape on his back window. Bro could have pulled into my lane. Look at that motorcycle. Look at that. That's dope. Man, this wind feels good. I got out before the sun's booming, so everything, it's a little cooler right now. It feels so good. This guy right here keeps looking at me through his mirror. I think he wants a bike. They all want a bike. Look at the toe on that shifting foot. That's how you know. That's how you know you ride a motorcycle, is if your boots look like that. Worn down on the shifter. Oh, homie said ride safe. It's such a good temperature not to just sit in gear at this light though. It's a good temperature to ride. And I've been sitting at this light for minutes. Stellar mark. That's cool. These guys are both itching. Look at them. Look at them both itching on the red. Itching. Look at them. There. What is up with these guys? And they're off. The Toyota takes the early lead. The Ford can't get it back. The Ford has the power, but he just can't make it. The Toyota's too fast. He's beating him to KFC. He's on his way to the light. He's passing Subway and Little Family Dental. He's almost at the light. He's almost at the light. He's almost at the light. And he wins. Bro cooked the Ford pickup. Bro cooked him. That car was dope. It's a dope Jeep. Take it out and play with it. That's way too clean to pretend like you're playing with that Jeep. Way too clean. Self-serve dog wash. Let's go. You guys can take your money. Please edit that out, Josiah. Dang, now I think I might leave it in. Cops sit this way, so I'm not gonna go that way. Because cops will sit over there all the time. Because that way's such a pretty way, but the speed limit is like 15 miles an hour. And I just I can't hold myself. I like houses like that with big windows, like big front windows. I think that's so sick. It's probably pretty bougie though. Like, I'm sure that's expensive stuff. What a pretty road. I'm so naughty. Not stopping for the stop sign. Out here, I think it's so beautiful with the sun poking through. This just feels like a Bob Ross painting. I wish Bob Ross was here and it could paint exactly what I'm seeing right now. Like, you guys don't see it, but like the outline of my helmet that I'm looking through, and then the front of my bike, and then all this pretty nature going on. That would be so dope. I used to watch Bob Ross like when I went to sleep. He was so calming. Man was the GOAT. But like a painter that would do something like this, that would be so dope. So dope. You think she knows that I'm gonna pass her? Once we get over this hill. Granny's fast, low key. She started zooming. It's like 45 here. She's going 10 over. If you guys are watching my video and thinking about getting a bike, get a bike. You know you want to. Get a bicycle as well. You know you want to. Get a bike and a bicycle. Please. You know I'm having fun. You know it. You know you want to do it too. You know you do. Do it. It's too fun. Be safe. Wear full gear. I want to see you out. Don't not wear gear. Wear gear. I say wear full gear. Cover up. I like my skin. You know what I mean? I don't want to lose it on the side of the road. My music is blasting right now. I just blast Christian music in my ears. I'm like, Jesus, protect me. Maybe my music is like my version of motorcycles that wear bells on their thing. You know what I mean? Like wear the bells down here, down on the side. He noticed me yet. He's in uniform, so he has to go the speed limit. No gear is crazy though. I mean, I understand he has his stuff on, but I know that's not the same as gear. But I bet it feels good. So when they have it on, are they like quote unquote on duty? Are they kind of always on duty? Now that I'm thinking about it. That's a lot of orange. Baby, let's go. They just be making stuff up nowadays. Road use enforcement. Boy, put yourself in the normal truck or become a cop. Pick one. My old route, so I'm a mailman if you guys don't know. My old route used to be over here. Not like right here, but over the hill. Dang, what is that, a Gixxer? Yeah, I should catch up to a random Gixxer. That's a good idea. Clunk, clunk. Following him? Am I following him? Yeah. I guess not. Man made me do a detour, just saw me as he turned, and is gone. Where am I? That's kind of crazy, actually. Dang it. Alright, I'm pulling over. Because I wanted to check my phone, and I was hoping I could do it at that light. What is all that? Get that off of my bike. So he just went in a big circle. Because that was that same homie that just turned. That's wild. I don't want to stop. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Man, that Honda smells like burnt clutch. Don't ask me how I know what burnt clutch smells like, okay? Don't ask. I just happen to know. Not because when I first got my car, I didn't know how to drive stick. That's not why. Not at all. I need to take Bailey for a walk when I get home. I like Jeeps like that, where it's like open. I like the ones where they don't even have doors. I think that's so dope. A C8. That's cute. My old boss just got a C8 over at my last job. It's like it's such a pretty red. I don't necessarily like C8s that much, but like they're better than C7s, obviously. I think it's pretty dope. But he feels like the shit. I'd have window. I would literally never roll the windows up. Like, I hate taking my visor up because I think it looks so sick having it down. Where like you can't see my eyes. Like I can look at whatever I want and no one knows. And everyone's staring at me, so no one knows that the light's green. Everyone uses their brakes so heavily on this hill. It's wild. Like, just let the hill slow down, get off the gas, and you'll stop for the light. Like, even if you're not driving stick or a bike, your engine braking will still do what it's supposed to do. Like, you'll be alright, bud. There's my mailman. Alright, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked it, like the video, of course. If you want to stay updated, subscribe, hit the bell so it notifies you every time that I upload a video. Let me know what you think down in the comments, what you liked, what you didn't like. That's it for me today, so I'm gonna catch you guys next time. Peace.